Welcome to our channel. I am Dale, and today's adventure is going to be a brand new one. Mecum Auctions. And if either you know or you are familiar with Mecum Auctions or not, because it is one of the largest car auctions in the world. I remember being back in Indiana and on ESPN watching the Mecum auction sale. Never thought I'd be able to come down here. Today I had an opportunity to come, so we're gonna go check out. And it's crazy already. I mean, it's huge. It's absolutely massive. So new adventure. We'll show you around and see some fantastic cars, and hopefully a car that maybe you've had years ago. And let me know also if you've ever been here. But I'm so excited. This looks like fun. So here is the parking lot. We are not the only people here. It is a massive field, and it just goes and goes. It goes way over on the other side, way over across there. It's huge. All right, so we got checked in, got our tickets. Mecum Auction, world's largest collector car auction, and it's nuts already how big this place is. We'll be showing you around. They even have trolleys. That's how big it is. You don't want to walk? Jump on one of those bad boys. Oh my goodness, this is just crazy. Mo Money might be a lawnmower company. Look at this thing. So over here in this field, these are live still now. You can bid on them. They're actually live auctions right now, because a lot of these go through the auction fact, but these are still available. Here's a nice old Land Cruiser. Here's an old Camaro. A buddy of mine had one like that. Over here we've got the nice GTO. The Judge. Beautiful car. I mean, there's everything, and we're just getting started. Here's a 61 Chevy Impala. Absolutely beautiful car. Just going down the aisles. And actually, right over here, we have a bunch of V-dubs. These things are sweet. All decked out. So this one current bid is $56,000. These things are decked out. There's 3 of them right here. This bid is currently $47,000. There's a 1972. This one was 74. And look at this one over here. 72 as well. Oh, this is so cool. Look at it. It's got the little kitchen sink in here. So out and around here, they do have some places for some food. And up here, there's a screen of what is actually going on inside right now. And the auction is inside the building here. Man, absolutely. And I keep saying it, massive. Oh, here comes a little V-dub, little bus action, little Porsche action. Now check out this old Plymouth Roadrunner with the massive wing on it. Wow. The estimated sale price on this, it said $275,000 to $325,000. And this is an old automatic. So we just decided to come in, well, I needed to use the restroom. Came in one of these buildings. So not only do they have cars, they have a bunch of old engines, old antiques, these old pedal cars. These things are fantastic. I mean, look at this thing. Look at a little gas pump or oil pump station. What? That's awesome. Oh wow. Holy crap. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. So also in this building is where they have all the vets. Not only all the Corvettes, but these are so cool. 64. This is a 64 over here. This one over here. Beautiful cars. Absolutely beautiful. Then over here, they have, I think these are all Hellcats, Chargers. SRTs are Demons. Oh, Demons. I'm not too sure the difference. I'd have to check. Difference between the Demon and the Hellcat. But they're just lined up. A whole row of them. So here we have absolutely ridiculous 2005 Ford GT. This thing is crazy. The estimated sale for this one, 400 to 500,000. And then right next to it, low production, it's the 2016 Ford Shelby 350 GT. It's a 50-year tribute to Carroll Shelby. This is sick. Black with the black rims. Absolutely ridiculous. The GT 350. Then also, over here, this building, I'll just call them the Tim Allen cars. All the cars that Tim Allen's working on. These things are the Roadster. 1932 Ford Roadster. Oh, it's probably got the seat in the back. Probably if you open this back up, this is probably the seat, if I remember correctly. And over here is a very special car, Ford Tommy Foster Roadster 1932. Look at all the awards this thing's gotten. The estimated sale price, 300 to 400,000. So over yonder, where the smoke is going, we'll go check it out more in a little bit. You can pay to have a ride in professional drivers, and they're just ripping it. It smells so much like burned rubber, because it is. And here, just another tent with a ton more vehicles. Oh, listen, there they go. Chargers. Okay, now I found my golf cart. Here it is. Here's my golf, as they're ripping it in the back. Custom golf cart. Look at this guy. So they even have the DeLorean here. Look at this thing. Good old DeLorean. Check out this little guy. Let's see this DeLorean. Doesn't have an estimated price. 1981 DeLorean. Right next to this little pink hot rod over here. Ford Thunderbird, maybe? Yes. Little Ford Thunderbird. Just keeps going. So here it is. Here comes one. So you can have you can buy a ticket, ride with a professional driver on this track. Crazy. Here comes the next one. And they just keep going. Wow. And we're off. He's gonna watch something. Look at this. There we go. Behind the scenes with the camera guy. Look at this little guy. It's a 1959 King Midget convertible with the little Chris Craft boat on the back. How sweet is this? Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Over here we have the old Chevy Nova. That thing is sweet. And as you can see, over there, way over there is a tent. Way over there is a tent. This is a tent that we haven't been in there. Way over there is a tent we haven't been in here. I mean, it's if you've got money burning in your pocket and you need a car, you need to be here. It's crazy how many cars are here. Check out this. It's a Malibu. One of the first Malibus I've seen. Absolutely ridiculous with all these cars here. Old cars, new cars, everything. Because we got this car right here too. Obviously a newer one. I am not even too sure what this is. But this is sweet. Oh, it is a new Viper. Or newer, 2014. Right down there is the older ones. I didn't realize they made a different body style. This thing is a sweet looking wagon, 1955 custom wagon. No mirrors, no door handles. And the paint job, the black, absolutely immaculate.
Time for the really big parade, ladies and gentlemen.
We're going to be doing a parade apparently.
It is time for our most beloved part of the day. It's time for the Mecum
bunch of
Power Wheels
food stands,
Parade. We have
picnic tables, everything else.
Visitors with us here to Mecum, and they are on all.
Now here they have the full-on DeLorean.
So,
Back to the Future DeLorean right here.
Hey, they can have just as much fun as the big one. So
okay, so this is amazing. This is what they're talking about. The kids parade with the RC cars. There they go, just a cruising. Oh, they had a bunch of them over here. Look over here. Well, that's fun. Here's another VW bus, and this is absolutely amazing. So check it out. Somebody made it a Harley Davidson edition. Inside stitched, Harley Davidson stitch. Sorry about the glare. It's got the skull on the shifter. It's got the couch in the back. Has our glasses in between rounds of golf. This thing, and it's black and orange. Harley Davidson colors. I mean, this thing is amazing. Let's see if it has. Some of these have an estimate price on it. Some of them don't estimate. 60 to 70,000. Too funny. This thing is absolutely beast mode. Yes, they did. Absolutely beast mode on this Jeep Gladiator. I saw one of these one time at the Disney golf course. It's a 6x6. It is crazy. Estimate 150,000 to 175,000. Let's check out the back here. Apocalypse. Then right next to that you got this beauty. I mean, it just keeps going here. Listen to that. Wow. Yep. I'll take that one too. Here we go. Hudson from Cars. You can do it. It's Hudson. Just like the old Hudson. We got prime a little bit. we go. Now we got Hudson cooking. Yes, sir. Got the Corvette fired up. Pretty sure this is a pre-staging area. They line up the cars here and get ready to head to auction. So we're coming up from the back side of the auction. We'll walk around, legit behind the scenes. We found some seats. How awesome is this? And then we grabbed a dog. This is a monster dog. This thing looks like it's gonna hit the spot right now as we're watching the cars roll by. And this is normally televised on ESPN some days. They do have the camera person over here on, right, where'd she go, where'd she go? How about that? There we go. We got a sharp looking 1956 Chevy Bel Air. See where this thing goes to. Wow, surprised it didn't go for more than that. Here we got an old 1954 Studebaker Regal wagon. It's got the surfboard on top.
31 pounds out of 32 pounds out of it. You'll say 32 pounds out of it. He said no. So 33 pounds out of his weight weight. 28.
So for most of the vehicles, they push in over from this side. They push over here. But this one here, this thing is a nice looking Chevelle. 1970.
Got 50 pounds that is started. Thank you. 60, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 85, 95, 95, 95 to 100, 105, 105, 110.
Wow.
115, 115, 20, 120, 120, 120, 120 pound 5, 125, 30, 130, 130 pounds head. Here now 135, 135. What do you got? 135, 140. Reserve is all. So 135 pounds another. So 135 pounds double. Up to about 141. World Series of Drag Racing class champion. Got a 426 India 4-speed. Spare parts and extra Firestone tires. Please note that this vehicle is still on the historic title. For more information on that, please refer to the vehicle description card.
Yeah, so out here we have some bikes. Look at this old one. It's 1927 Indian Scout Custom. That is crazy. Now look at this one over here. And this is the main building where we went in at. So apparently here's the Tron bike. Somebody decided to go ahead and duplicate Tron. That's pretty cool. Oh, here's the tire, you can see. All right, so that was a lot of fun. We didn't even go in this building. There's so many buildings, so many cars that we didn't even get to see, but that was a lot of fun. It's always something I always wanted to do. We finally came down here and got it done. And if you're a car enthusiast, absolutely, go check it out. There's the truck that we just saw a little bit ago go through the block, so in the car. Oh yes, come down here and check out Mecum Auto Auction. So give us a like, subscribe, follow us along for all the other adventures that we got coming up in the future. So until next time, the adventure is still out there. Let's go find it.